Excitement, fighting spirit, photo finishes, and the strong support of spectators. Every match in the Champions Boat League Season 2 was filled with passion and pride. The huge support and cheer of people for their teams and the oarsmen have made the boat races in the season extra special. Karuvata. The second race of the CBL at Karuvata in Adapura district was a proof of this excitement and enthusiasm. Large participation of people has turned the boat races into celebrations. There was a close fight in the heats itself. In the finals, Mighty Oars or Nadabangam Chundan edged past Tropical Titans or Mahadevikar Katal Tekatil to emerge victorious. There was a difference of only 6 microseconds between the two. Ripple Breakers or Viyapuram Chundan grabbed the third position. Pulangunda. At Pulangunda Waters in Alapura district, Tropical Titans avenged their defeat at Karuvata. They pulled out all the stops from the heats itself to secure victory here. Mighty Oars couldn't replicate the success achieved in the heats in the finals. Ripple Breakers displayed strong fighting spirit in the last 10 meters to secure third position. Piravam. When the CBL reached Piravam in Ernakulam district, table-topper Tropical Titans of Pallathuruthi Boat Club could not produce a good performance. They could encounter the flow of Muatupura River across a 1150-meter track. Mighty Oars of NCDC Boat Club put brakes on the surge of Tropical Titans and secured a remarkable victory. The margin of victory was just 30 microseconds. It was a refreshing sight in CBL when the Rovers accepted victory and defeat with a sportsman spirit and applauded each other. Police Boat Club's Raging Rovers from Champakulam finished third, despite clocking the third best time in the heats, leaving Ripple Breakers for the losers final. Taratangadi. The finals at Taratangadi in Kottayam district were full of passion and pride. The Water Kings have shown their martial prowess in the region which has centuries-old tradition. Mighty Oars and Tropical Titans were head-to-head in the first 100 meters. 200 meters into the race, the Mighty Oars grabbed the lead. Halfway through the match, Raging Rovers posed a tough challenge. The lead changed hands again. All three teams were side by side in the last 100 meters, but the Tropical Titans proved their mesmerizing prowess in the finishing once again and won the battle. Pandanad. Pandanad in Alapura district witnessed a stiff fight in the Pamba river amid loud cheers. Tropical Titans proved their invincibility once again as they did not give up their first place amid the pouring rain and excited spectators. Mighty Oars took the second place after a hard-fought battle. A difference of 46 microseconds existed between the first two. Raging Rovers has to settle with the third position. Kallada. Even if the race shifted out of Kuttanad and moved to Kollam, Tropical Titans did not give up their first place. Mighty Oars again fell behind by a microsecond at the Kallada river, despite trying hard in the middle. After falling behind in the first half, the PBC stalwarts regained their momentum in the finish. The Chambakulam team secured third position in Kallada. CBL2 not only tested the strength of the spirited teams, but also increased the popularity of snake boat races among the audience across the globe.